Did you know, as designers at South Park Interiors, we can help coordinate custom art and murals with local artists? We can connect our clients with local artists, and then we'll help coordinate their art designs with our interior design concepts. We can work directly with the artists to give them color palettes and design vibes so that the space at the end looks like a full cohesive design. Some great places for custom art may be a large mural on the exterior of your building, a small mural on your wall near your pool or outdoor courtyard space. It could be a chalkboard menu at your coffee bar, or it might even be just a custom artwork piece in your entrance and lobby space. We love supporting local artists, and we also love giving our clients a custom design experience.